Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. So day one was all about the surprise iftar by Abba, which was really good, especially the food over there. Wow, chef kisses, so good, so delicious. But unfortunately was unable to take the video of the food over there as I was busy admiring the buffet. So good, I really miss it. So this is me trying some lokemat with molasses. It tastes really good and was really crispy. Lokemat is an Arabic sweet dish which can also be eaten with honey or maple syrup. And this is an Arabic coffee which is also known as kawa, which tastes really good. By the way, look at my henna which looks so pretty, mashallah. It was applied by a Pakistani woman. The interior over there looks so pretty and so aesthetic. So this was the chai station with different types of chais. The sky looks so pretty that day. Allahumma barik laha.
Assalamualaikum everyone. So today is the second last day of Ramadan, I guess, inshallah. And we are going to a cornish to break our fast over there. Like all the families are mostly over there and they break their fast over there. Like it's very nice in open air. People are eating, chilling, talking to each other. MashaAllah, it's very good. So let's go and let's break a fast over there.
The roads in Saudi Arabia are so good and so aesthetic. Like everywhere, it's so clean and neat. Like you can take pictures, videos, anywhere you like. Like so good, so aesthetic and so clean. I just miss it. Why not in India? Why not in India? So these are the different types of coffee cafes with other stuffs to eat, mostly desserts. So Arabians mostly crave for coffee and a big die-hard fan of coffees. Like literally you can see all the Arabs drinking coffee. And this is one of the most favorite bookstore of mine, Jerry. I miss you. I really miss reading in Jerry bookstore. And this is the road towards Al Khobar Cornish waterfront. So people have gathered here to break their fast. It's probably super rushed during the Ramadan. So here comes the famous Al Khobar Cornish waterfront. I've been seeing this for almost 18 years and I have never entered this. People tell that it's mostly a hotel for the people to stay, but none of them have entered it except the king and the prince of Saudi Arabia. I just want to enter and see how does it look. So we just broke our fast. So this was the ruabza with milk, which was so delicious and was made by Ammi. So this was the fruit salad made with frozen blueberries and strawberries, which was so good and was also made by Ammi. And this was chana chaat masala, which was also really good and was made by Ammi and Didi. So this is one of my favorite food from the Saudi cuisine, which is known as mutabbak. It's basically stuffed egg with spring onions. And these were the cheese samosas and Arabic sambosas.
The masjid where we are going to pray.
The masjid looks so pretty, mashallah. It was so clean and so peaceful.
Assalamualaikum. Done with the Maghrib prayer. So we have come from the Maghrib prayer. There's a news that tomorrow, 21 April 2023 is gonna be Eid. But let's wait for the khutbah. Till then we cannot confirm that it's gonna be Eid tomorrow. So let's wait for the khutbah. So this is the Eid khutbah. Shopping and Eid shopping is so hectic. Now we are buying. This is me. And now we're buying sandals for our Eid dress. So tough to buy a Eid dress. Like we almost went to 10 shops to buy shirts only for me because I did not like anything. Now all are buying sandals and I've got the sandals for the first time. Yeah, okay, bye.
So this was my Eid dress and these were the heels. I know it doesn't match with the dress but couldn't help with it because last moment shopping.
الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر.
So this is me trying to take some Eid pictures, hashtag Eid outfit pictures. So this was the cracker show for the Eid celebration and I'll